Hello everyone to the events of Oliver Twist novel, which is written by Charles Dickens. Summarized and prepared by Mrs. Walaa Samir. Audio recorded by AI technology. Chapter 14. The mysterious person reappears. After 2 months of his marriage, Mr. Bumble was sitting in an inn reading a newspaper. Another customer was there, too. He started talking to Mr. Bumble, referring to the difference between the appearance of Mr. Bumble being the beetle and now. Mr. Bumble confirmed that notice. The man asked him about his position now. Master of the workhouse, replied Mr. Bumble. The man referred also to Mr. Bumble's preference to take advantage of everything. His reply was that being a married man would encourage him to earn more money. Besides, workhouse masters cannot afford to refuse any extra that may come to them. The man smiled and put 2 gold coins on the table to Mr. Bumble, who picked them up, looked at them, and then put them in his pocket. The man spoke to Mr. Bumble that he wanted him to remember something that happened 12 years ago at the workhouse during the night. A poor woman gave birth to a boy. Mr. Bumble pointed out that many boys have the same birth details. The man was talking about a certain boy who worked for the undertaker and ran away to London. Mr. Bumble realized he was talking about Oliver Twist. The man was searching for the woman who nursed his mother. Mr. Bumble told him that she died last winter. Wanting not to miss the chance of making more money, he remembered his wife's story about the nurse. So, he told the man that he knew a woman who had been with the old lady when she died. He could bring her tomorrow evening. The man wrote the address on a piece of paper, asked him to keep it a secret, and left. When Mr. Bumble ran after him to ask about his name, the man replied, "Monks." Mr. Bumble took his wife to the address written on the paper. It was among some ruined houses near the river when monks opened a small door and asked them to go inside. He immediately asked Mrs. Corney about Mrs. Thingummy, the nurse, and what she told her about Oliver's mother. Mrs. Bumble told him that was the second question. The first one was, what is the information worth? The thing which shows us how greedy she was as well as her husband. Monks replied, saying that it could worth nothing or 20 pounds on knowing what the information was. Mrs. Bumble, add another 5 pounds. Give me 25 pounds in gold and I'll tell you all I know. When she took the money, she began to speak, saying, when Mrs. Thingummy was dying, she spoke of a young woman who had given birth to a child some years before. The child's mother gave her something and begged her to keep it for the child's sake. But after the woman died, Mrs. Thingummy stole it. It was a leather bag. It contained a gold locket in which there were 2 pieces of hair and a gold wedding ring with Agnes' name on it. Monks took it and opened a door on the floor. There was rushing water from the river. Mr. Bumble was frightened when he saw it. Monks calmed him, put the locket and its contents back into the bag, tied a weight to it, and dropped it into the water. The following evening Bill Sikes woke up in a weak state. He found Nancy with him. In the meantime, Fagin, the Dodger, and Charlie Bates came in. Bill was angry that Fagin left him sick for 3 weeks. Fagin asked him not to forget it was thanks to him that he brought Nancy to look after him. Sykes needed money. He sent Nancy with Fagin and the 2 boys to bring the money. Nancy was waiting for Fagin to give her the money when suddenly Monks opened the door. He stepped back when seeing Nancy. Fagin assured him, saying that she was one of them, the gang. They went upstairs to speak alone. Nancy took off her shoes, followed them, stood outside listening, and returned quietly downstairs before they finished. Nancy took the money, went out. Because of what she had heard, she sat down on a doorstep. She ran away from Sykes' home, cried and knew that the situation was hopeless, and went back to Sykes disappointed. The questions in this chapter are: answer the following questions. How did Mr. Bumble justify taking money although he had become the master of the workhouse? Why did Monks go to meet Mr. Bumble? How did the latter help him? Mrs. Corney was as greedy as Mr. Bumble. Explain. What things were there in the leather bag that belonged to Oliver's mother? What did Monks do with the bag that belonged to Oliver's mother? Why was Sykes angry with Fagin? What did Fagin do to calm him down? Do you agree with Nancy in overhearing Fagin and Monks? Why? Why not? Comment on the following quotations. Workhouse masters cannot afford to refuse any extra that may come to them. What is the information worth? It may be worth nothing. It may be worth £20. Give me £25 in gold and I'll tell you all I know. She's one of my young people. If you felt like this content is beneficial to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in chapter 15. Bye.